Hi, everyone. Welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos. If you find yourself inspired, join my channel. Those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi, everyone. Today, I would like to share with you an update on the progress that I am making with my beautiful bias scarf from my Pickle Jar yarn kit that I purchased from Aberdeen's Wool and Tangled Poets. It is a beautiful collection of mini skeins of hand-dyed yarn, and along with my yarny bestie, Pricilla over at Distinctively Handcrafted, we decided to embark upon working on the awesome recipe that was in the kit to make a bias scarf. Now, I've been working on it a little bit at a time, trying to get it done, but Priscilla has just been such awesome work. And she has done a video every day in the month of April. And she's done a shorts version, and hers is working up so beautifully. So if you have not seen it yet, please go over and check out her videos. She does have a playlist, and I will include that in the description box below so that you can check it out. But while you're over there, please go ahead, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to her channel and check out some of her other content because she is phenomenal and just awesome and a beautiful person inside and out. Okay? You will not be disappointed. So now, as far as mine, I have been working on it pretty steady, but not showing you my progress every single day. So I would like to give you an updated version of what I have been doing. And I'm going to try to show you in succession how I've been choosing my beautiful mini skeins and how I've been incorporating them into my bias scarf. And then I'll come back and show it to you in real time. So let's take a look and see what I have been up to. Hold on for a moment, okay? I am back. So that was a lot of fun, right? You could see my progress as I was choosing the different mini hanks and the colors and how it was going along. So let's take a look at my piece in real time. All right. So here it is here. And this is where I started. Okay, I started with this beautiful kind of blue with a little bit of the mauve in there. And then from there, I went into this awesome bright blues. And I really liked the way that this color way worked out. Then I went into this awesome color here that had a little bit more of the mauve. So bringing that out from like this piece here. And then more of the greens in here with a little bit of maybe off-white coloring. And then again, still keeping with that mauve color and then into a little bit of like the kind of orange and maybe burgundy colors, staying with that here, and then getting into some of my brown tones here and back to that, adding on some purples, right? And then I stayed with the purples. So these are the last two that you saw that I grabbed and did these together. So I am making progress as you see, and it is getting wider. And you see the bias is continuing to work with that beautiful eyelet on the edge. So I'm having a lot of fun working on it, and I think it is beautiful. The yarn, once again, is not difficult for me to work with. It is a thinner yarn because it's a sock weight yarn, and believe it or not, this kind of is in keeping with the Socks Not Socks challenge that I put forth. Um, because it is not socks. How about that, right? So just beautiful in the way these colors are coming together. And it's kind of a scrap yarn project, but not exactly a scrap yarn project because they're mini skeins. So it really fits in lots of different categories and what you can do with small amounts of yarn that are available, how you can put them together and put them into one cohesive piece that just kind of flows and just looks beautiful. And I am really looking forward to continuing to work on it so I can complete it. And I'm also looking forward to being able to wear it when I'm done. So, yes, I am enjoying it. Now, I did mention earlier that my Yarny bestie Priscilla over at Distinctively Handcrafted is also working on a beautiful scarf, and she is way ahead of mine. She is really getting to the bottom of her beautiful pickle jar. So if you haven't checked out her videos yet, please go and check them out. She has been doing shorts for the month, but she also has some content. So go and check out her shorts. She has a playlist for that, as well as check out her content. She is just awesome, phenomenal, multi-talented, and just really, really inspiring. So please go and check her out. All right. Now, I also mentioned a little bit about the Socks Not Socks challenge, and I did put that up last year. So that year time is coming up. And I do think, in light of the fact that so many things have transpired, not only just in my life, but in many of yours as well, I'm going to extend it even further. So I'm not going to put a definite end date on the Socks Not Socks challenge because I just am enjoying seeing the beautiful things that you guys are coming up with. But what I may do is just do it as a segment. As I receive things, I will show you. So give me a little bit of time. Let me pull together the things that I have not shown you yet of the awesome things that have been created and shared with me to share with you so that I can show you. And we will kind of go from there. I am going to do some giveaways because I did promise that for the people who participated, and I do want to definitely make good on that. So I'm going to proceed with that. So look forward in the next few videos. I'm going to try to get that together and share with you and perhaps do some giveaways to just continue to inspire and encourage you guys to figure out some alternative things to do with your sock yarn that's just not socks. Okay. Now, that's all I have for this portion. I'm going to continue to work on my beautiful bias scarf. from my Pickle Jar yarn kit, and I will share with you my updates. It is going to take me longer than this month, so I'll continue to share it with you as long as you guys are interested and inspired. Have you guys thought about purchasing a Pickle Jar yarn kit or just a mini skein set? You don't have to use the Pickle Jar yarn, although it is beautiful and I do encourage it. But you could just get some mini skeins, or you could just choose to use some of your sock weight yarn in small amounts to make something that is cohesive, such as this. All right. So, yeah, put it down in the comment section. What would you do if you had beautiful sock yarn in small amounts? What could you do with it? Okay. All right. So that's all I have for this portion. Let's go ahead and take a look at the puzzle solution for the last video that included a puzzle. And this is what I came up with. And this is the puzzle for today. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, for giving me a thumbs up, for leaving me kind comments. I really do appreciate it. I also appreciate you guys who do the puzzles. It's a lot of fun. I really do enjoy doing it, and I see many of you guys do too. So until next time, do everything you can to be mindful, do everything you can to be at your best health, and by all means, guys, be crafty every day. Be inspired, be inspiring, share your gifts, okay? I look forward to seeing you again soon in my next video or one of yours. Bye bye now.